Hello everyone, my name is Krish and today I'm gonna teach about substitute function. The actual substitute function replaces text in a given string by matching. Substitute function finds and replaces old text with new text in a text string. For explaining the concept of substitute function, I made an example here. Here are a list of examples which I need to replace the quotation mark with nothing. For replacing the quotation mark, I will type here what I need to replace exactly. So quotation mark here, and then here, and then here, and then here. So we will type the function name, that is substitute, equal substitute, and I will press tab key. You can either write the substitute the whole name or you can press the tab key. I will press the tab key. As you can see, there are some parameters popping up. First is text, second is old text, the third is new text, and fourth is instance none. Remember one thing, whatever see in this bracket, in these square brackets, these are always an optional parameters. So I will go ahead one by one all these parameters. First one is text. In which text we want to replace. If I want to replace here, John is great. So I will select this cell and then comma. The next parameter is asking for old text. What is the old text which you want to replace with? I want to replace this quotation mark. So I will select the quotation mark here. So I will select this cell and then one more comma. Then it's asking for the new text. What you want to put or replace the new text at the place of quotation mark here. I don't want anything at the replacement of quotation mark. So I will leave nothing here. Quotation mark, in this there will be absolutely no value. And then I will close the bracket and hit enter. You can see the quotation mark from this cell is totally replaced in the front and the ending part. So I will drag down to the bottom and then you can see the whole examples don't have any quotation mark. So this is the working of substitute functions. But there is some limitation of substitute functions. You can use in one time one replacement. And also is case sensitive. So for the future, keep in mind that if you're making any replacement with any text, please make sure that this is case sensitive and also it can replace one text at one time. Thank you guys for watching this video and have a great day.